Welcome to StreamLine Marketing Pro. Congratulations, your onboarding is complete and the next step is scheduling your orientation with us. And I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to start on the dashboard page, and if you look at the left-hand side menu, scroll all the way down to the bottom, click Schedule Orientation. This is going to bring up a calendar that's very simple and easy to maneuver. You just select the day that you want, the time that you want, and click the blue select button. This is going to ask for your information so that we get that appointment scheduled with you. And during this appointment, it's going to take about an hour. We're going to help set up your social media accounts. We're going to help you set up your domain to your website. We're going to walk you through how to best utilize the system. But I also want to make a point that we have a lot of how-to videos on how to do a lot of things within SLMP, and definitely take a look at our YouTube channel. You can find it directly on your dashboard page, that page we started out on at the beginning of the video, or you can go to YouTube and look for us directly and find that playlist there. There are so many tools available to learn how to use our system, and we're here as a tool for you when you have questions. So take advantage of this orientation hour and ask all the questions you need to, but even after that, let us know if you have any questions. Drop them in the comments, and like I said, take a look at all of our how-to videos on how best to utilize SLMP. And again, welcome. We are so glad you're here.